Okay, so the first thing I need to do, of course, the first thing I need to do is um this is the first thing I need to do. First, I need to top-down analyze. I need a top-down analysis. Yo, gold is about to go crazy. Gold is seriously about to go insane, bro. Look at that. I don't feel like, you know what I feel? I don't feel like doing right now. I don't feel like drawing a trend line from here to here because what's the point, bro? There's no way this thing is going to move. But this is definitely a momentum swing, meaning gold is going to be buying for a while. Gold is going to be buying for a while. Either that or it'll start selling like crazy. Which I probably think realistically it'll start buying. Can we continue from here? Let's take it from here. You see, this is why shortcuts don't work, man. You gotta start from down there. You know what? I'm gonna use my desktop for this part because I don't think, even if I try to, bro, I don't think I'm gonna get it right on my phone. So I'm just going to draw these trend lines from my desktop. I think they'll start showing up. Eesh. Okay, that something's missing. Something is definitely missing. Okay, let's start here. Okay, that looks better. From there, come this. You see, where you start has such a big influence, bro. Because you see now this has changed. You see now it looks different. It doesn't look the same anymore. Can take it from there. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. With that being said, I'm gonna delete these other ones that are obviously not gonna do anything right now. Okay, now let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, did I greet y'all? Yo, my bad. What up, y'all? Damn. How rude of me. I don't think there's I don't think there's a need for real. I could try to move this, but I could just do that with my hand. Could just do that. What y'all think about that? I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I was gonna bring this one lower. I was gonna bring this one lower and bring it at least here. But I'm gonna keep it here because it looks like this trend line accommodates way more when it does that. I'm gonna keep it there. We're gonna come here. So I'm gonna skip to the 1 hour time frame. Oh wait, let me see what happens when I move it lower. Let me just see what happens when I move it lower. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this. Watch why. Dude, I know it's 16:30. Calm down. There's no reason to rush. I know it's 16:30. And start there. Take it there. I could do this. Yes, I could do this. Yes. And then take that. My bad. What do you think about this? if I do this, one has to go. You can't both stay. This is unrealistic. Either that or I'm messing up somewhere. No. This is fine. I'm gonna keep it. No. Not for this one. Okay, this is 1 hour. Let me just fix. Oh, that's fine. I just need to fix the other one. Which is this one. Okay, that's fine. Now, let's go make some money. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. I want to delete this one. I'm going to delete that one for now. I'm going to keep these two. Because it just looks messy when I include that other thing. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame, nigga. Let's take this thing up. This thing is going up. It looks like it really looks like it wants to go up. Wait, before I make up my mind in that sense, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. I want to see something. I want to see from these. I want to see from here if there's anything that's telling me this thing might go. Wait. The angle I viewed that wasn't really the best angle. What time frame is this? Oh, that's 1 hour, right? Okay, let me do this on the 1 hour time frame. Interesting. I'm not going to do that. Okay, I'm going to go to the 15-minute. I'll show you guys where that other one appeared from in a second. I'm just going to fix this one and put it like this. Yeah, I like this. So this is the clean. Yeah, I hope y'all agree with this. I think this one is clean. Let's go to the 1 minute, 1 hour, so I can show you where that other one showed from. You see, we have this one as well. So very clean, very clean. Ooh, this looks like an interesting formation. Looks like an interesting kind of formation, right? Which further emphasizes why this thing is consolidating. But moving on. So I have a momentum swing. Trying to draw. Wait, instead of drawing a momentum swing, let me do this. Yeah, let me do this instead of drawing. For now. Clean. Okay. I'm gonna look for indicator confirmations. I think there's one here. So okay, this doesn't look good for this indicator. There's one here. Doesn't look good for that, because it's just telling us that this thing's gonna go down. But this is the 5 minutes, so there's one over here. This one is good. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. And it took me straight to the money. straight where I want to be. Okay, yeah, no, this is good. This is good. You can just put that there. Right. This thing is gonna go down. It's gonna go down. It looks like it's gonna go up, but this thing is telling me that it's about to go down. Bro, it really looked like it was gonna go up, but it's gonna go down based on this indicator. Yeah, based on that indicator, it's telling me that this thing is gonna go down. Let's go to 5 minutes just to confirm one more time. Now this thing is gonna go down. This thing is gonna go down. This is a lousy indicator. So let's look to take this thing down. Wait. I realized something. Remember I was drawing a momentum swing? Let's go back to the 5 minute. Remember I was drawing a momentum swing here. Oh, guys, by the way, I realized some important piece of information regarding the information swing. I realized something very, very important about the information swing. Then, the momentum swing. Okay, I'm going to take this thing up. I think now what I'm going to look for is a confirmation to take this thing up. Watch. I'll tell you guys why in a second. I just need an entry now to take this thing up. Okay. So far we're waiting for an entry to take this thing up. I've decided I'm going to take it up, and I'll fill you guys in and tell you why I'm going to take it up. So remember remember the one strategy I said has a lot of probability to happen is the one where we have two trend lines and we also have a momentum swing, right? So like I said, here we clearly don't have any type of trend line that we can connect to at the top. The only other one we can connect is probably like somewhere there, and that's already been broken, so we don't need that. This trend line is weak because of this one. And remember when I said we have two weak trend lines and we have a momentum swing, the one we should be taking seriously is the momentum swing. So the same thing is happening here, and it's happening on a Monday, right? And we said so far for Mondays on the notes, I did say the only strategy we take serious on Mondays is the two weak trend lines and a momentum swing. So that's what we have right now. So right now what we're waiting for entry to take this thing long, right? I just need to check the daily percentage. So the daily percentage right now is at 0.44. That's also good on a cosmic level. It's also good. So yeah, dead ass. Right now, I'm only waiting for an indicator confirmation to take this thing long. I just hope that I don't miss opportunity to enter. But when I look, I don't see any bullish indicators, even on the 5 minute time frame. I think my desktop is on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, while I wait for this, I am going to post the trading plan on Reddit. I've already posted the trading plan on Reddit. What did I just do? Oh yeah, I wanted to share something with you guys. This is my hypothesis on the momentum swings. I think momentum swings is not about the structure. I think momentum swings aren't necessarily about the structure. I think momentum swings are more of a indicator of like a common group of people who, or not common group of people, but like momentum swing is more of a it's like a summary of the direction market wants to go to. and I know that's basically me saying it's an indicator, but unlike the trend, unlike what's this? Unlike trend lines are more specific. Like a trend line will be a trend line. It doesn't matter the shape of a trend line. A trend line will always be straight, right? Unlike a momentum swing, it'll always have that shape of a half of a parabola, right? It'll always have that shape, but it'll always come differently, right? So whatever form it does come, like whatever form it appears as, the theory behind it remains the same. That it's just a summary of where market wants to go, right? So, with that being said, I'm show you. Let me show you real quick. I'm gonna draw something just to make an example, right? With that being said, because I'm saying it's basically a parabola, right? What I'm saying is there's no one right place to buy this to enter this thing at, right? You could enter here, you could enter here, you could freaking enter there, right? The main point with this momentum swing is to show the general direction. Is to show that's why sometimes you get wait, let me do this. Is to show the general direction. That's why sometimes you get that we had a momentum swing, but market came down, and then it also went back up. And when it does come down, it only comes down and hits our first entries. It hits our first entries stop loss, right? Meaning what? Meaning the people who saw this general direction of the market were being targeted here, but most of them who still joined there at the general direction, I like, yeah, I think right now I don't know how to explain it 100% to you guys, but I get it. But for those who do get what I'm trying to say, man, this is very, very interesting. This is very interesting, bro. I don't even want to lie. Momentum swings right now are momentum swings have always been like my favorite strategy. It's just that it's very hard to teach, man. Like, how do I teach you to see this pattern, you know? So you see right here, we're about to get our confirmation. We're about to get our confirmation to take this thing up. I just want to calculate from here. 8 points from here would probably be around here. 8 points would probably be around here. Then another 8 points from here would probably be somewhere here. Somewhere here. So we should be good. We should be good. That's if okay, let's take this thing long. Let's take this thing long. Like I said, usually I'd be going the opposite way, but because this has a higher probability, we'll take this thing long. Let's take this thing long, bro. Why is this thing tilting, bro? Okay, 8 points. I'll look for the take profit in a second. Let's do that. Time, I think around 7. Around 7, that's when we should have our direction. Or let's just say 8. Around 7 or 8. And then I'm going to put the stop loss trade. Wait, no, wrong position. Yeah, this trade is about to go crazy. I'm not even gonna hold you. This trade is genuinely about to go insane. Okay, I'm gonna put in a 1 to 2 for now until I can confirm. I'm gonna put in a 1 to 2 for now until I can confirm on higher time frames. Let me confirm on higher time frames what's happening. Wait, let me post this on Reddit. Let me look for, I need to look for a higher, I need to look for a higher take profit. I need to look for a higher take profit. Okay, so that's that. Okay. Oh, okay, very, very interesting. I think I found one. Yeah. Some look unrealistic, bro. Some just look insanely unrealistic. So for now, I am just gonna keep this as a 1 to 2 for now. It's just Monday, so Mondays I don't want to really go crazy on a Monday. So I'm gonna keep this as what we're looking at for today. It really might go higher. Wait. No. Let's take this thing higher. I'm changing my mind. That's gonna be our second take profit. I'll show you guys in a minute. But I'm gonna keep the 1 to 2 on the trading plan. I'm gonna keep a 1 to 2. What I'll do after posting this, I will what did I just do? Oh, I will look for re-entries. I need to look for re-entries so I can leverage. I need to look for re-entries. Okay. Monday. Oh, I said the level was plus 44, right? I think I said it was plus 44. Yes. That. And then, the daily percentage at plus 0.44%. Okay, so that's it for Monday. What I need to do now, I said I need to look for the leveraging. So the one, wait, you know what? I'm gonna put the leveraging thing as another separate video. So I'm gonna leverage. After this, I'm gonna drop the video of how I'm going to leverage this, so I can make it like a continuous series. So yeah, I think that's it for right now. Is there anything on the comments? I don't know. Wait, why is... Wait. Oh, it's this. Okay, this is the wrong thingy. Wait, I'm trying to open chat. I'm trying to open chat. I'm trying to open I'm trying to open the stream just to check if there's any type of comments. The comments. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave this just like this for now. Yo guys, I'm gonna see you guys in a minute because I'm gonna record the leveraging video and then post it on YT. So yeah. Hey man, if you was here, type I was here. You